G'day, how's it going, folks? And welcome to this very special truck spotting with the Aussie Don here, Don's Truck Spotting Australia via Australia Worldwide Entertainment. This is our 2025 Anzac Day special. This has been recorded on Wednesday the 23rd of April 2025 in the late afternoon. We hope you enjoy the trucks that are going to be shown. Let's get into it. The sun's decided to come out today after a wet day. Here comes a Siva Logistics. That's the one we got last week. And here comes a standard white one. It is a Volvo FH Globetrotter. Lindsay, Scania. Nice one actually, I haven't got that one before. Here comes a little tipper, the Mac. Here comes another Audi. And here comes a B-double with the Kenworth. Road Mustang. Yields tanker. Volvo going up. G-Force, oh that's new. There's truck. Here comes IVECO. The clouds are over the top of us. We've got a bit of rain going on at the moment. Got a bit of a sun shower going on at the moment, folks. I think there's the snaps. One I captured last week. Oh wow! Starting to all roll now. There goes the alloy. Oh wow, that is really nice. Oh, here we go, we've got a food box, B-double coming in. Nice. CWT. Wow, that's a new one. And we've got a Scania. Very nice. Volvo. Very nice. We've got a Cameron's Interstate coming through. Nice. And oh yes, we've got a main freight. Here we go. Oh, check out that. Oh wow, that's really cool. And a Coles truck going up there with the Lynn Fox. Nice Western Star. Oh wow, 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 wow. Local one. Comes floral. Another local. Another local will go up the exit. I think that was a K220 going up there instead. It's a really nice one. Down, down, prices are down, 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 prices are down. Very common. Wow, that's Hoods. It's the Hoods one. Nice. A tiny Audi truck. This is a really, really, really nice one coming through. Nice. Oh wow, 2 Perrys. Beautiful. Wow, that's a new one. Another Lynn Fox with the Bunnings. As the sun is now gone behind the clouds. At the going down of the sun, we will remember them, lest we forget. Okay, 108. So do note this will premiere on Anzac Day 2025, folks, and it will be a dedication to all those that fought for Australia and New Zealand, and the passion that I share for trucks. As I've explained in the past, it's part of the National Highway where I'm at here up at Kings Park, and it's an absolutely fantastic place for truck spotting. KWT, Milestone, FedEx. Comes a crane. Here comes the white variant of the Limfox. I think I've captured that one before actually. I remember the black on the lead trailer. Here we go, there's a nice FedEx coming through. HAEM transport, very nice. There's a fella I see around St Mary's actually. Another Coles. Going down more now, folks. Mercedes. Clouds are puffing up. They've all been coming off the sea today, the rain. Another wiki. Here comes a New Tech Logistics. Mercedes Astro. You know what time it is? BINGO. I seem to get them all the time. And KWT. Oh wow, wow, wait. Wow, wait. Oh, here it is thing. Oh wow. That's nice. That's sound on that thing. Howdy. Mercedes. Oh wow, check
check out that. Well, I love to stick around, folks, but I've got to head off. So thank you very much for watching our latest truck spotting video here on this Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, the time of the recording, and it has premiered on Anzac Day 2025. Lest we forget. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hooroo.